Hey guys, it's Suzie, if you haven't noticed. But today what we are going to do, actually what I'm going to do, this is my cat, and her name is Sally. She is awesome, very affectionate. So, today, happened to my last video, I'm so sorry. I did not mean for it to be, no sound. I think the microphone was broken, so it's okay now. And today I will be singing Firework by Katy Perry karaoke version, so you can actually get to hear my real voice. And I think I'm really good. What inspired me was Miranda sings "08." If you haven't heard her, she's awesome. Search in Miranda sings "08." She's my total role model. She is awesome. I love her. She's pretty. She has an amazing voice, and she's awesome. Like, yeah. Okay. Here it comes. Wait. Let's see the volume's up. Here it goes. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag, stretching through the winds, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house down, one up from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams but no one seems to hear a thing? You know that there's still a chance in you, 'cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, know what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. As you shoot across the sky, why, baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em falling down, ow, ow. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You already know. Cannot be replaced if you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow, maybe the reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know. Just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. Oh, 'cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. As you shoot across the sky, why, baby, you're a firework. I think that's all the time we have for today. I'm sorry, I know you want to hear more, but sorry, because, I'm on a tight schedule. Not really. But I just don't really talk. Don't want to bore you to death. That would happen with you completely, because I will always entertain you, because I am an awesome singer. I know. Well, it's my opinion. You can tell me if I'm good or not. I think I'm good. Well, no. I don't know why. I was paying it. Anyway, why did I say no? It's a beauty mark. Sorry. Miranda sings 08. She is awesome. She's so pretty and she's a great singer, and she's very nice and mature, like some people, and she takes all mean comments in a good way. She takes them as a good thing that you guys are just jealous, which is true. Sorry about my last video. That was all I tried to do. I deleted because the microphone was broken. Now it's fixed, obviously. So, yeah. Okay. I will make more videos with her. But, oh yeah, you can't really see, but my eyes are pink. So, if you watch one of the scenes 08 Beautiful Makeover, it taught me how to do it. My eyes were beautiful, so my lips. Eyes are full of pink with it. I didn't have any of those eyeliner sticks, so I couldn't fix stuff that hurts. I couldn't do that, so I'm glad I did. She says it hurts, just not doing that part. But I put on the lipstick to make it look luscious and kissable, like she said. But then my mom told me to take it off. She said it was pretty inappropriate. No, not good. Oh yeah, don't tell my mom that I'm not supposed to be on YouTube. I told her that my mom was copying. So sorry. I don't want to get you recorded. But yeah. So if you want, oh yeah, subscribe. Please. There were awesome songs and some more awesome music videos from. And Suzie, we do it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye.